Okay, today it's property maintenance on too many projects, and I'm working on this little over here. And I did a big brush burn last night to get rid of a bunch of junk brush from a storm a couple years ago. Now I'm going to clean a composite deck and a picnic table using Purple Power cleaner and a pressure washer. Here's the before and after on the picnic table. Let me shut that sucker off for a second. So, Purple Power and a picnic table is what we got. This is what the picnic table looks like before the pressure washing, after the application of some Purple Power. You can see it's almost black from oxidization, and sitting outside there's some algae on it. Here's one of the benches that I've cleaned already with the pressure washer after just spraying on some Purple Power out of a big spray bottle like this. So it's like I'm just spraying the stuff on. I'm not scrubbing. I'm spraying and I'm not scrubbing, and then I'm pressure washing it. And it's coming out, well, you'll see how it's going to come out in a second. And then this deck, which is hard to see kind of how grimy it is, but there's a bunch of algae on it. It's composite decking, which I pretty much hate, but it's going to clean up pretty good. Stay tuned for that and you'll see how it goes. So there you have it, the difference. Clean and pressure wash versus not. Alright, we're going to do the deck next. And here it is, the stark difference between clean and dirty. Now that I've gone over this with a pressure washer, the thing looks phenomenal. Much better. All the algae, the black mold is gone. Deck looks pretty good again. As does the picnic table, although it's kind of grayish and dry looking. I could probably do it again with Purple Power and get a more brighter result with the wood. But again, this wood is a naturally finished wood with the only thing that I put on this wood, on this picnic table, maybe 5 years ago, was boiled linseed oil. So pretty much a neutral coating, just something to get a soaking oil preservative into it. And it looks just fine. It's a rustic picnic table, so that's about what I expect after pressure washing it. Super. On to the front of the building. And I'm going to blister off those rake boards and then paint them a different color. Coming up on Too Many Projects.